In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to find trending products on TikTok so you can start selling what people are already excited about. TikTok is one of the fastest platforms for spotting trends because products can go viral overnight, and if you know how to catch them early, you can ride the wave and make sales before the competition catches on. The first step is to open the TikTok app on your phone and head over to the search tab. In the search bar, type in phrases like TikTok made me buy it, Amazon finds, or even trending products. What you'll see are tons of videos where creators are showing off products that are already getting attention. Pay close attention to how many likes, comments, and shares these videos are pulling in, because that tells you whether the product is just being shown or if it's actually creating buzz. Once you've spotted a few interesting products, go into the user section. Here you'll find accounts that consistently post trending products. These accounts are basically doing the research for you because they're always sharing what's hot. Follow a few of them and you'll start to notice patterns. If multiple creators are posting the same item, that's a strong sign it's trending. Another great trick is to look at TikTok's Shop tab if it's available in your country. This section shows what people are actively buying and promoting. You can filter through categories, see sales volume, and even spot rising products before they hit the mainstream. Combine that with the engagement on regular TikTok videos, and you'll have a clearer picture of what's really working. Also, pay attention to the type of content being used to promote the products. Are creators showing quick unboxings, before and after transformations, or funny skits? These formats aren't random. They're the styles that go viral on TikTok. By taking notes, you're not only finding products, but also figuring out how to market them once you bring them into your store. Another thing that works really well is checking the hashtags related to shopping. Search for tags like hashtag TikTok made me buy it, hashtag viral products, or hashtag must-haves. When you scroll through these hashtags, you'll see real people showing products they bought, which gives you proof of both interest and demand. The more videos you see under a hashtag, the stronger the trend is likely to be. You should also look at the comments on viral product videos. Sometimes people ask where to buy the product, mention cheaper alternatives, or even complain about shipping times. All of this gives you insight into customer pain points, which you can use to improve your own store and stand out from competitors selling the same item. Now, if you want to save time and skip manually scrolling through TikTok every day, you can use Sell the Trends TikTok product feature. It instantly shows you which products are trending on TikTok right now, along with engagement stats and store data. Instead of guessing or piecing things together, you get a clear view of what's hot and where to source it. If you'd like to try it out, there's a risk-free 14-day trial available through the link in the description. Stop wasting hours trying to guess what might work. Use TikTok to see what's going viral, and then let Sell the Trend confirm which products are truly worth selling.